It's a beautiful day out here in Toronto, Canada, and we're about to go stand-up paddleboarding, and we want you to be able to go paddleboarding too.
Guess what? It's giveaway time. This is something that you can win that you're gonna love for your next adventure.
We have partnered with Body Glove to give away one of their Performer 11 stand-up paddleboards. What I love about these stand-up paddleboards is we don't have to have a roof rack, we don't have to have a special carrier, because they all fit in a backpack, and then we blow them up when we get to wherever we're going, and we just get out on the water wherever we want to go.
And this amazing inflatable paddleboard can be yours. All you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel to be eligible to win. If you're looking for bonus entries,
click on the link in the description below to enter. If you're on mobile, look for the down triangle at the bottom right of this video and click on it to expand the description.
The Performer 11 inflatable stand-up paddleboard is perfect for people who love to travel, perfect for people who live in small spaces, or perfect for people who just want to take their paddleboard with them wherever they go. Valued at $899, the prize includes the Performer 11 inflatable paddleboard by Body Glove. It has a backpack, pump, ankle leash, dry pouch, and repair kit. And don't forget the adjustable paddle.
as you know, we've done stand-up paddleboarding in many different countries. So now it's your turn to get a chance to win this amazing paddleboard.
We have our very own, and we can attest it is awesome. You can bring it with you traveling. You can put it away in your closet. You can bring it in your trunk. It is so perfect. It is compact, and then you can blow it up and get on the water and have some fun for the day.
Make sure to leave a comment in the bottom of this video telling us where you would use the paddleboard. Good luck!
And don't forget to subscribe. We're going to do a second giveaway with Body Glove, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. And hey, if you like giveaways like this, be sure to like this video and tell us what other giveaways you'd like to see on the Planet D.